Welcome back to Mega Jenga. All right, Zane, 1 through 17. Number 1. I don't know how you think that's playing it safe, but. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Ooh, you picked your team. Look at that. Hannah, so your team gets to go next. Hannah's pretty bold being the only girl around that team with all you yahoos. What? Huh? What? What's the deal? Who else am I missing from your team? Alright, also, what I should have said at the beginning is I would like for you guys to let me know when you're ready, as opposed to me having to ask, hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? But if you're waiting for the team whose, question it is, you should work on more problems, which I would just do the whole front page, first, so that you get that confidence, and then work on homework, because if you get done the front page, and when your team picks that question, you can just, answer it quickly and keep moving on. So, for the only time I hope I have to ask it today, Zane, do you guys need more time? You think you need more? Okay, I will wait. Let me know when you're ready. You think you're ready? Does your team agree that you're ready? All right, I'll take it. Hey, so already we did random cards for what team goes next, so we got the next team figured out. Zane, talk me through here. Well, okay, you don't really have to talk me through, I guess. Well, I want the answer from Zane first, because you're the question master. So what do you have as the answer, Zane? Do you guys need another moment to confer?
Whoa. They answered their question.
No, they didn't, because he said they were ready when the team didn't agree. He just wanted to be ready. That's why I realized, are you sure your team? Because you guys are talking to each other. Gotta talk to each other. If your team says we're not ready and you say yes I am, that's rude. You can pull out your math notes and check the walls if you need. Our walls are super useful.
Stop scribbling on my paper. Oh wait, I did not do that wrong. No, it's not.
It's all like multiplication. And doesn't that square, if we follow the laws, doesn't that square need to apply to those things? If we have to do exponents before we ever multiply?
I know, I'm so considerate.
Talk it through, but that feels better.
I got it right now.
All right, Zane, how's your team doing now? Zane, you got it on your paper, so you're going to tell me? All right.
You're really smart, so you probably got it right.
Zane. And I think... Hey, guys. We're bringing it back now. I think I made it around to every group to address the mistakes that... Not every group made the same mistake, but I feel like every group had at least a mistake here. If you go back and check your laws, 4... I'm not going to compete anymore, I'm tired. 4x, the whole thing, is getting squared. 5x squared has nothing happening to it aside from multiplication, but this 5 is not getting squared. Only the x is getting squared. So Zane, what'd you guys get here?
80 times x to the 4th power.
Because when we split or distribute the square, we get 16x squared times 5x squared, and it's all multiplication, so you can move it around and put the 5 over with the 16, put the x's together. It is 80x to the 4th. And you said you were playing it safe with number 1. We all make mistakes on that safe option. Send someone to the tower. Make sure you give yourselves points. Hannah's team got randomly picked second. So Hannah, pick a number. 8. 8, because it feels great. Only part D. Only part D from that question. Oh my gosh! Freaking odds! This is the craziest probability. I need to go buy a lottery ticket. The stuff that's been happening in this classroom today. Yeah, but her probability was like 1 out of 10. It was a pretty small probability. Don't rain on my parade. I want to be excited about this. I get to be excited about a lot of things. What? You were A. Yeah, because we're just going in order. What? Integer? It's like a whole number, but also includes the negatives. So it just means no partials, no decimals, no fractions, like the whole number, but whole numbers are only positives. So integers also include the negatives. To clarify what this problem is asking you, if it's not in scientific notation, fix it. If it is, just give it a little check. Hannah, do you think your team is ready?
We need like 1 more second.
Okay.
Team just hasn't agreed.
All right. 1,000. Okay.
Oh my.
This is what some of you guys do to us. All right, take your time. That was more than 1 second.
No, what's that one? Like, not what is it? Like,
So, Hannah, does this need fixed or is it good?
We, as a whole, think that it is scientific notation.
And why do you think that?
Because it has kind of like.
Hey guys, we're like together up here now. Thanks.
I'm trying to think about what I was going to say, but all of the other scientific notations we've been doing has been with the decimal and then like 10 to the power.
I hit my leg so hard the cap came off my chopstick. It's all bad. I hit myself. Sorry, go ahead. I had to.
We've been doing scientific notation by like removing zeros and
Yeah.
making it into powers of 10.
Yeah. So yeah, this is 10 to a power, right? Which we know, I mean, question mark or whatever. What does this number have to be? What? None of that matters. It's got to be between 1 and 10. So if you check your math notes, and I forget if we emphasized this when we looked at your math notes or not. Hey guys, stop talking for a minute because I literally was in the middle of a sentence just looking for my math notes, which I still don't know if I gave them away. So if you look at your math notes where it says scientific notation, it literally tells you, like bullet pointed, the first factor has to be between 1 and 10, and the second factor has to be times 10 to the something. So it is in your math notes. Check it if you need to. Also, if you would like a refresher, hey, Owen, sit down for a moment. I'm talking. If you would like a refresher with scientific notation, because we haven't done all that much with it, yes, it starts silly again because it's math antics.
Hi, Rob here with Math Antics. Just wanted to say hi to all the people who watch our videos and say thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing. I know we usually don't do milestone videos, but this seemed like a pretty cool milestone that we just had to mention. We have 1 times 10 to the 6th YouTube subscribers.
What would 1 times 10 to the 6th be?
6 million.
It's 1 times 10 to the 6th. So that would be 1,000,000. So when they reach their million, but then the rest of the video just goes through scientific notation. And if you want a refresher on why values to the 0 power equal 1, but not every value to the 0 power equals 1. So this video talks about, well, what wouldn't equal 1? All right, but that's Schoology. Owen, you can come up to the tower now. Let's move forward. 8's gone. Elsa, because she also picked herself out of the stack. Pick a number.
14.
14. Just like tomorrow is Pi Day, the 14th. Happy birthday to your brother.
Owen Smith. You messed this up and I'll never forgive you.
Owen's birthday in ELA one time, you know what's called the My Way?
Do you know this song?
It's my song, Penny.
This song is Free Fallin'. I was waiting for the tower to fall. I bet you guys will be done with this pretty quickly. Hey, don't worry about the giant 1 part of it. We'll talk through that. You just need to tell me what this turns into.
I got this, guys. I hate fractions. Like that? I'm for sure wrong. I got 36 to like -1 power.
Elsa, you can just give this to me in like 6 to the power form. Like, because all we really want to do is make sure we know how the powers combine. But yeah, check with the rest of your team, not just Alex. Remember, this homework is due Friday if you're farting around and wasting time. All right, Elsa, you guys ready? You look like you're wrapping that up. All right, bring it back. Elsa, what'd you guys get?
6 to the power of 2.
And the whole giant one part that it's asking us to like show
I object.
is if you, I object your objection.
No, we're fine.
If you apply the negative power to do what it wants us to, which is actually divide, because it's the inverse of a positive power. So we have 6 to the 5th over 6 to the 3rd. This will turn into yeah, I know, I'm sprinkling.
Hey, that's my
Giant 1, giant 1, giant 1, leaving us with only 6 squared. And that is correct. I don't know why we have hands in the air.
No, I'm making life easier by
Because I thought you were like actually solve it, so I made 6 to the power 5, like put fraction, and then I put a 1 under it, and then
Okay. What would this be? What is 6 squared?
36.
36. All right, moving on. Elsa, send someone to the tower. Adrian, pick a number.
Don't fail. 16.
16.
We just did it.
Yeah, so hey, I left this here on purpose. Look down on your paper to the almost at the bottom. For some reason, CPM had the same problem twice. The answer to this is still what it was. It would be, you're going to pick another one. Just go ahead and write 80x to the 4th down there on 85. So 16 is gone. Adrian, a different number, please. That was not a me typo, by the way. That was CPM. I don't know why. Lucky 13. It doesn't matter. Is what? I mean, that's the fun. That's why people say lucky 13. Yes, 13 is supposed to be unlucky. 7. Middles are 7. Kylie, you touch it and it falls over, it's your fault.
It was never. Okay. That's my Jenga skill right there.
Hey, Team B, I think you forgot your points. Oh, yeah, sorry, I must not have seen that. If you did a middle, it's 7. All right, Adrian. W to the 3rd power is correct. 13. Cora, pick our next number. Adrian, remember, middle blocks are like also a good. Now hold on. Hey, you have 30 seconds that you can save it. It's in the rules. You have 30 seconds. You could have just taken a middle. All right, rebuild it.
It's minus 6.
Yes. chill a little bit and let Cora pick her next question that we're all going to answer. Yes, I can build the Jenga tower. Don't worry. Cora, 12. All right, there we go. But this song is dedicated to Adrian. All right. Cora, what's this turn into? Just 10.
I steal.
No, because 10 is 10 to the first power. 10 is the same as 10 to the first power. Send someone to the tower. Xavier, pick a number. Maybe you guys can... 2. What number... What this is, outers are 9. What this is asking is, what number to the 0 power wouldn't be 1? What number to the 0 power would... And if you really can't figure it out, somebody should pull out a Chromebook really quick to go watch that video on Schoology I posted. I don't know. Did you guys go... Wait, which team? Yeah, Cora's team. Yeah, you're A. Yep. Or you can just cross it out and do like the new points of 16. Xavier. What number, when raised to the 0 power, doesn't become 1 and why? Do you have the why?
Oh yeah. Okay, it's 0 because you can't divide 0 by 0.
It is 0 because you cannot divide 0 by 0. And 0 power means you have the same on top and bottom, and you can't divide by 0. Very good. Send someone up. Kylie. Alex. Pick a number. 2 is gone. 10. If it's not in scientific notation, fix it. If it's not in scientific notation, fix it. You get what? Do you know if you're leaving or what?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Otherwise, I would have asked. I have Elsa. She's packing up.
Except it's E to the negative.
Yeah. How we doing, Alex? This is your question.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are you thinking or ready or you what? You got it? Did you check with your team? I mean, that's why we're in teams. All right, think we're ready? If I was you, I'd just be like, this is what I got. Do y'all agree? And if they don't, then they can tell you why. But you agree? Well, there we go. All right, Alex. I'm guessing this is not in scientific notation because y'all took a minute.
Yeah,
Fix it for me.
7.89 times 10 to the 4th power.
How'd you figure out the fourth power?
I had help from someone, and they said, because, like, if you take a, I don't know.
What was the help from someone? What'd they say?
You take the zero.
Because you take the exponent away, because it would be the same thing, I guess, as, like, I don't know.
This tells us move the decimal right 5 places. To fix the scientific notation, we already moved it right 1 place. So how many places do I still need to move it according to what it told me? 4 places will get us back to the actual number, which is what, 78,900, I think. Can you figure out the actual number? I think it's 78,900. All right, 10 is gone. Send somebody up. That somebody could be you, Alex. And to finish out the second lap, Shama, pick a number.
Oh yeah.
It's a toughie.
What?
It's a real toughie.
Oh my god.
We're ready.
You're ready.
No. Whoa.
All right, maybe this isn't the last proper
Side
one.
one's 9, right?
Side ones are 9. Nice work.
Wait, which thing were we?
Oh, never mind. I forgot I wrote it. No, I didn't.
I'm gonna wait for these guys to sit down because they're being distracted. All right, Shama, what's this become? And if you actually do 2 to the 7th power, 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 is what 2 to the 7th power would come out to be. 7's gone. You guys fight over who's coming up here. We've got time for one more. You know, honestly, you guys worked really well today. Take the last 3 minutes, flip your page, and do some homework. Flip the page and do some of your homework.
I like how we're so excited. You could have actually done a good one. We could have gone negative 12 points. We have 1 point. We each have 1. No? Okay. Oh, yeah, how many points do we have? Oh, 6. It's on. Same number. Oh, no, my number.
Adrian, I did a sign. Wait, no, I did.
Wobbly, wobbly.
That's 100 squared. Thank you for asking. I pulled it up earlier for them. Wow, that was weak. Hey, as soon as you flip to the back, you're going to care about that hole punch. Chopping this off, it should be 100 squared is what that one is. 100 squared on the back where that hole punch chops.